So now in this video, I thought we'd keep stuff simple. We'll just look at this diagram here. If we have 9 volts and we want to protect a red LED, I generally recommend using 470 ohms of resistance. We're probably getting close to its wattage rating and also the amount of current that we want to put through an indicator LED right there, about 15 milliamps. But maybe you don't have a 470 ohm resistor right there. Or maybe you want to divide up the voltage so that you got more resistors so they don't get as hot. There's a number of reasons why you may substitute the value. But in any case, if we take a 150 and 330 ohm resistor, these are all values that I have. Not all kits come with these values, but in any case, you can add series resistors till you get basically the value you want. Doesn't have to be spot on. You can see right there, we'll have just a little bit less current, about 480 ohms of resistance. Now, these are not actual multimeter measurements. The red LED may not build up exactly 2 volts and whatnot right there. So these are kind of rounded off numbers. Things aren't going to add up perfectly. But we expect the red LED to drop about 2 volts. And so with the 470 ohm resistor, that leaves about 7 volts across it. And remember, the wattage of resistive components is the voltage across it and the current flowing through them, how hot they're going to get, and they have to be able to dissipate that heat. These two resistors right here, we got the 330 ohm resistor. There should be about 5 volts out of that 9 because we drop about 2 volts from with the LED, so that we got about 7 left over. And then the 330 ohm resistor, I think I might have pointed the wrong one. 330 ohm resistor has more resistance, so more of the voltage is going to go across it. But all 3 components are going to have about the same amount of current flowing through them. So basic Ohm's law stuff. Now, there is the 150 ohm resistor. You know, again, about 15 milliamps of current. When you do the math, though, you do it in amps, 0.015 amps. So it's probably got, you know, somewhere around like 2.25 volts right there. Again, we're just kind of using estimated numbers and stuff, so it's not going to line up perfectly. We got 5 plus 2 for the LEDs, 2.25, that's 9.25. You know, it's rounded off, so they're not going to line up perfectly. Yeah, that's the main reason why I put that note down there. So, any case, when it comes to designing simple circuits, usually approximations are perfectly fine. We don't need a precision 15 milliamps of current going through the LED and the other components or anything. If it's 14 or 16, you're probably going to not even notice the difference. So any case, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen and check out links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.